Ka-Express, pagkatapos ng 66-69 loss sa New Zealand nitong February 26 sa MOA Arena, si Tall Blacks coach Jad Flavel nagbigay ng props kay Kai Sotto at sinabi niya he was here in 2024 when he played. He's a handful in rebounds. Inamin na walang Kai na kinabang ang New Zealand sa rebounding 53-49 at si Kai ay a big part of the puzzle for the Philippines. He gives them another dynamic. He's very mobile. He does absolutely help them. At ang mga fans at analysts ay sumasang-ayon. Grabe ang disappointment sa loss pero malinaw na walang kapalit sa impact niya sa paint at overall game. Sa second window ng FIBA World Cup 2027 Asian Qualifiers, ang Gilas 2-1 sa Group A, close fight versus New Zealand, tie sa halftime 37-all, and the New Zealand led the third, pero ang Gilas bumangon sa fourth quarter. Nagkulang lang sa execution. New Zealand nagdomina sa boards, habang ang Gilas nahirapan sa shooting, at ayon kay Coach Flavel, na kahit walang Kai, sulit pa rin ang Gilas Bigs, tulad ni na AJ Edo with 11 rebounds, Junmar Fajardo at Quentin Malura Brown, pero they are a handful collectively. Si Kai Sotto pa rin ay sideline dahil sa kanyang post-ACL injury recovery, opted out para sa knee strengthening kahit na naglalaro na siya sa Japan B-League. At ang nationwide reactions, maraming fans ang heartbroken sa kawalan niya, naniniwala na siya ang key sa rebounding dominance at defensive presence na nagpapahirap sa kalaban. Iba naman ang proud sa potential niya, feeling na unbeatable ang Gilas kapag full strength. Justin Brownlee, off night with only 4 points. Dwight Ramos, 16 points. Sergio Perez, 15 points. At ang susunod na schedule, March 1, Gilas versus Australia Boomers at 7:30 p.m. sa MOA Arena at ang susunod na rematch ng New Zealand ay sa July window. Walang Kai means vulnerability sa interior, pero Coach Tim Cone nagfo-focus sa adjustments para sa Boomers. At ang fan reactions, respeto sa paglaban ng team, pero excitement sa return ni Kai na magiging game changer. At ayon kay Coach Flavel, next time we're gonna see the Philippines is in July and we know that's going to be another big challenge. Gilas pa rin ay may chance at sa top group spot. Noong February 26, sa game sa MOA Arena, ang Gilas ay natalo 66-69 versus New Zealand All Blacks sa sobrang dikit na laban. Tie sa halftime 37-all pagkatapos ng rally, pero ang New Zealand nag-lead ng 11 points sa third quarter at ang Gilas nag-cut sa fourth quarter pero kulang sa possessions. Ang team shooting struggles at ang New Zealand nanalo sa rebounding. Na inamin ni Coach Flavel na nakinabang sila sa kawalan ni Kai. We know Kai Sotto is a big part of the puzzle for the Philippines. He gives them another dynamic. He's very mobile. He does absolutely help them. Singled out ang rebounding impact niya, recalling the 2024 game kung saan he is a handful in rebounds. Well, si Kai absent pa rin, recovering from his ACL injury. Kahit naglalaro na siya ng limited minutes sa Japan B-League, opted out siya para sa full knee strengthening. Wala pa siyang commitment para sa March 1 o sa July window. And Justin Brownlee, rare off night with just 4 points, 6 rebounds. Standout sina Dwight Ramos with 16 points and 8 rebounds. Sergio Perez, 15 points. AJ Edo, 11 rebounds bilang top rebounder para sa Gilas. And Coach Flavel noted, solid bigs tulad ni na Edo, Fajardo at QMB, they are handful collectively. They got 15 offensive rebounds. And tournament standing, Gilas 2-1 sa Group A, Australia pa rin 3-0. Susunod na laban sa March 1 versus Australia Boomers sa MOA Arena. Walang Kai, kaya mas mahirap ang size matchup. Live reactions mula sa timeline, maraming mga fans ang heartbroken sa loss, naniniwala na kung andoon si Kai, madali sanang panalo dahil sa kanyang rim protection, defensive presence at rebounding dominance na nagpapahirap sa kalaban. Iba naman ang proud sa potential niya, feeling na siya ang missing piece para sa unbeatable Gilas chemistry. And the analysts agree, hindi lang height, kundi mobility at vertical spacing niya ang nagbabago ng game plan. Kahit sulit ang iba, maraming nagsasabi na walang kapalit sa kanyang impact. At yung absence ni Kai ay nagiging factor sa close games. At Coach Tim Cone, walang moral victories, focus sa adjustments tulad ng better shot selection at composure. Ang kawalan ni Kai ay nag-highlight ng frontcourt vulnerability, pero positive ang grit sa comeback. At ayon kay Coach Flavel, I know they pride themselves in rebounding and I know they do as well. At ang nationwide opinion, disappointment sa result pero respeto sa effort, mixed with hope na return ni Kai, ay magiging turning point. Ang Gilas, competitive pa rin, next window pa ang full strength possible. Kai Sotto is still sidelined with his ACL recovery priority. Walang green light pa para sa March 1 o July window. At ayon kay Coach Flavel, inamin ang absence ni Kai favored New Zealand. He gives them another dynamic. He's very mobile. He does absolutely help them, lalo na sa rebounding, kung saan New Zealand won 53-49. Si Sam Menenga na New Zealand ang top rebounder with 14 rebounds, habang si Asia Edu with 11 rebounds para sa Gilas. And Flavel noted quality bigs tulad din na Edo, Fajardo at QMB. They are handful collectively. They got 15 offensive rebounds. And Justin Brownlee with 4 points, 6 rebounds, off night pero expected ang kanyang bounce back. Dwight Ramos with 16 points, Sergio Perez 15 points, ang nagdala sa opensa. March 1, Gilas versus Australia Boomer at 7:30 sa Maua Arena. Australia, undefeated pa rin. Susunod na New Zealand matchup ay sa July window. At sinabi ni Coach Flavel, next time we're gonna see the Philippines is in July and we know they're going to be another big challenge. Walang Kai, nag-highlight ng major gaps sa interior defense at pati sa rebounding, New Zealand nakinabang ng husto. Coaching scheme ni Coach Tim, mas resilient sa perimeter, quick pace, better rotations para i-compensate, at ang long term, si Kai pa rin ang anchor ng team, kanyang mobility, shot blocking at presence ang nagiging game changer. At ang fan reactions, sobrang disappointment sa close loss, maraming naniniwala na si Kai ang key sa dominance versus taller teams, at ang kanyang impact sa past games tulad ng 2024 win versus New Zealand ay nagbibigay ng pag-asa. Iba naman ang proud sa kanyang growth, feeling na unbeatable ang Gilas kapag siya ay nasa paint, at ang mga analyst noted na hindi lang height kundi overall dynamic ni Kai ang nagpapahirap sa kalaban, pero kailangan pa rin ng team-wide improvements sa shooting at execution. At ang official standing, Gilas 2-1, New Zealand nakahabol, at ang Australia top pa rin sa Group A. Isang win na lang kailangan para sa better positioning.